the training that you do with the technicians, the training that you do with the frontline call center personnel is critical to making sure that they understand that that whole idea of empathy is first and foremost. And so we just shot some video on gender-based differences. And so one of the things that you talked about is, men aren't great at listening. So men will hang around with the brand as long as the logic and the facts will clean up that particular problem. But the big difference is the women, the female gender, will not hang around with the brand if it's logically fixed, if they are not emotionally satisfied that I treated you the right way. So we have to train all of our people to recognize the differences that all of us, being guys, as long as they have a plan, it sounds good, it's logical, you're going to get to it, it's good. We're moving on, we stay with the brand. But if we have a female and we don't recognize, or if we treat them badly at the beginning, and we've made a poor impression as our empathy, and then we solve the problem, they actually are disloyal to us. They will leave the loyalty of the brand because of that, because the emotional experience was not satisfied.